Okay, hello and welcome with another new video. Okay, so here is the incident happened that horrifying moment woman's phone explode. Okay, a woman was going to visit a supermarket store and her phone exploded in her pocket inside super mall. Okay, in her dress pocket there's a phone. I think it's a Motorola company phone, and it's exploded in supermarket. Okay, that's a horrifying incident actually. Okay, may God bless this lady. Okay, someone maybe send this lady to hospital and her recovery. I pray for her recovery soon. Okay, a woman suffered severe burns when her phone exploded in her pocket inside a busy supermarket, sparking chaos as bystanders rushed to help. Okay, a woman has suffered several burns. Okay, she got several burns. Can you imagine? She got several burns. The mobile phone was going to blast and she got several burns. A woman has suffered several burns after her phone suddenly exploded in her back pocket while she was shopping at a supermarket. Shocking CCTV footage captured the moment the device burst into flames as the woman stood next to her husband at the checkout counter in a store in Anápolis, Goiás, Brazil on February 8. Okay, that's the incident at February 8, and today is February 14. Okay, that's a very much old incident, but we can we are going to discuss about phone market at Brazil. We're going to discuss about phone market, telecommunication market at Brazil. We're going to discuss about how you can take a precaution on that. If you the same incident is happened with you, how can you take a good precaution on that? Okay, shocking CCTV footage captured the moment the device burst into flames as the woman stood next to her husband at the checkout counter in a store in Anápolis, Goiás, Brazil on February 8. In the video, the woman can be seen casually waiting in line when her jeans suddenly catch fire. She panics, running frantically through the store as her husband, identified as Matheus Soares Lima, desperately tries to extinguish the flame. Okay, customers and staff watched in horror as the woman bolted out the supermarket with the device still burning inside her pocket. Okay, once outside, bystander rushed to help as the Matthias pulled off his shirt to pull out the flames. She was quickly taken to Alfredo Abreu Hospital where she was treated for second and third degree burns on her heart forearm, back and buttocks. Part of her was also sent in the terrifying ordeal. The couple has purchased the Motorola Moto E32 just a year ago and were still Matthews. He said his wife was others left traumatized by the incident and wanted to warn others about the potential dangers of phone barrier batteries overheating. She is quite traumatized. I speak more to raise awareness because many people have children and this is very dangerous. He told Brazilian was outlet G1. So it is good to be alert because just I like it happened to her, it can happen to other people. The shocking footage has since gone viral, sparking concerns over phone safety and battery malfunction. Following the incident, Motorola released a statement confirming it had reached out the victim to conduct a technical analysis of the device. Motorola informs that it has already contacted the consumer to investigate the details of the incident and have arranged for a technical analysis of the device. An essential step to identify the cause of incident. The company said the company prioritizes the safety of the consumers and emphasize that all of the products are carefully designed and manufactured to the highest standards of quality, undergoing rigorous testing to ensure safe performance for the consumer. While the exact cause of explosion remain unknown, experts have warned that lithium-ion batteries found in most smartphones smartphones can overheat and even combust under certain conditions. A report from Stanford University highlights that excessive heat using non certified charges and physical damage to batteries can all increase the risk of fire. Consumers are advised to avoid covering device while charging, disconnect them from power once fully charged and only use manufacturer approved accessories. This is not the first time a phone has caught fire unexpectedly. In September 2024, a teenager in Massachusetts suffered minor burns after her iPhone exploded while magnetically attached to an off-brand charger. Okay, as the investigation continues into the Brazilian case, experts urge smartphone users to take extra precautions when handling and charging their devices. Okay, so it's a horrifying incident. The woman was in a mall, was in a store, and in her pocket the phone was going to explode, and it's exploded. Okay, so I think this is a very much horrifying incident. Okay, so you have to how. Okay, first of all I want to explain about the telecommunication market of Brazil. Okay, so if you think that telecommunication market of Brazil, okay, so okay, if you search about telecommunication market in Brazil, okay, the Brazil telecoms market is growing due to government investigation investments in broadband demands for digital services. The leading companies in Brazil telecom market include Vivo, Claro, Oi, and TIM. In 2023, Brazil telecom services market was valued at $35.6 billion. The market is expected to grow at a more than 3% from 2023 to 2028. Mobile data services are expected to be fastest growing segment. Okay, Vivo, the key companies are Vivo, Claro, AT&T, Verizon, Comcast. Okay, drivers of growth, the government exports to improve connectivity, the need for detailed services, and the increased demand for high-speed internet. Other trends. Brazil is investigating the most in entertainment in Latin America. There are disparities in access or consumption. Addressing these challenges could unlock further opportunity for growth. The Brazil telecom market size is estimated at USD 32.13 billion in 2024 and is expected to reach USD 43.34 billion by 2019, growing at CAGR at 6.17% during the forecast period 2024 to 2029. Okay, so telecom market is in Brazil is huge, but about the telecom, okay, C is used Motorola phone. Okay, so Motorola phone in Brazil. Okay, Motorola phone in Brazil. Okay, okay, so Motorola phone. Okay, most popular phone in Brazil. Okay, that is Samsung. Samsung is most popular phone. Okay, Samsung, Nokia. Okay, okay. Motorola actually phones are made in China. Made in China. Okay, the company is a subsidiary of Lenovo, a Chinese multinational technology company. Okay, Motorola is originally an American company that made cell phones and other electronics. In 2011, Motorola was split into two companies, Motorola Mobility and Motorola Solution. Google bought Motorola Mobility in 2011 but sold it to Lenovo in 2015, a subsidiary of Lenovo, and is headquarters in Chicago, Illinois. Motorola Mobility primarily products smartphones and other mobile devices running Android. Okay, so but Motorola is not so good, I think, and she is using Motorola phone, and I think his battery is blast, and battery is going to be heated and is finally is blast. Okay, so I think that the woman is using old phone also, is it? Because the leading brands are different, Vivo, Oppo, or something, and she is using a very old brand for Motorola. Okay, so she have to change in his brand also, because old phone. Okay, look, old phone and old batteries are very much dangerous. You know, if you using old things, then they can be dangerous. Okay. Okay, so a phone can potentially explode due to excessive heat generated by the battery, often caused by factors like overcharging, physical damage like dropping it, leaving it in direct sunlight for long periods, using a faulty charger, or a manufacturing defect in the battery itself, which can lead to a chain reaction called thermal runaway, where the battery rapidly generates more heat and more potential ignites to explode. Key point about explosion. Overheating is the main culprit. When a phone battery gets too hot, it can damage the internal components and trigger a chain reaction, causing it to overheat further and potentially explode. Physical damage. Dropping your phone or applying significant pressure can damage the battery's internal structure, leading to short circuits and potential overheating. Okay, charging issue. Okay, using incompatible chargers, overcharging, or leaving your phone plugged in for extended periods can contribute to excessive heat and build up. Battery degradation. Over time, phone batteries naturally degrade, increasing the risk of overheating with prolonged use. Manufacturing defects. Occasionally, the phone may have manufacturing flaws in the battery that can lead to explosion, as seen with the Samsung Galaxy Note 7 recall. How to prevent your phone from explode extreme temperature. Don't leave your phone in direct sunlight or in a very heat environment. Use original chargers. Always use always use the charger came with your phone or a compatible replacement. Don't overcharge. Avoid leaving your phone plugged in overnight. Inspect for damage. If your phone has a visible damage, getting checked by a professional. Okay, replace old batteries. If your phone is old and the battery is noticeably swallow or degraded, consider replacing it. Okay, thank you.